Swati, that was a wonderful performance and your energy filled up the stage. Is it not? Yes. Keep it up. The next piece that Swati is going to dance this evening is a popular song sung in praise of Lord Ganesha, the Supreme Head. It is an endearing song, very popular amongst devotees, hailing the glories of Lord Vigneshwara, the dispeller of all obstacles. The song is melodious and is replete with in-depth meaning. The composers offer their prayers to Lord Ganesha and laud him as the embodiment of good characteristics and master of all moral rectitude, and the one with a single twisted trunk. The lyrics beautifully elucidate on Lord Ganesha's love for music and epitomize him as the life of music and the innermost soul of music. The composers urge the devotees to seek his blessings by choosing the path of Sankirtanam, that is, singing songs in praise of the Lord. Lord Ganesha is the protector of all teachers and gurus, the one who is worshipped by all, and the destroyer of impious people. He is extolled as the essence and quintessential truth of the Bhagavad Gita and is the bestower of victory and wealth. Let us enjoy this magnificent portrayal of Lord Ganesha in all his glory in Ekadantaya Vakratundaya, composed by Ajay and Arul Gogavale in Ragam Pilu, set to Aditalam.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह परात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकादीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरीगणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रणवाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय